How to adjust library chairs, RH Logic chairs. There are multiple ways to adjust our RH Logic chairs. Firstly, locate the levers on the right hand side of the chair. The first lever adjusts the chair height, the middle lever adjusts the backrest angle where you can lean backwards or forwards, and the final lever controls the seat pan depth where you can move the seat forwards and backwards. You can change the height of the armrests by pressing the buttons on the side of the armrests, in addition to turning them all the way round to change the depth of them. To adjust the height of the backrest, lift the lever on the back of the chair up to allow you to slide the backrest up and down. You can adjust the amount of lumbar support by squeezing the lumbar pump to inflate it, which is at the back of the chair. If you need to deflate it, just press the button along the stem. The neck rest can be adjusted by lifting it up and down and tilting it. Finally, the chair has a knee tilt movement mechanism. To turn it on, locate the dial on the right hand side of the chair. Turn it anti-clockwise for the chair to go into a free flow mode.